Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a very important module inside Python which lets you execute terminal and shell commands programmatically using a Python script. So terminal commands are those commands which you directly open your command line and then execute those commands. So let's suppose if I want to print out the version of which version of Python is installed. So I will directly open command line and execute this command and I will get this output. So now just imagine you want to execute the same command not through directly opening the command line, rather than you want to open a Python script which will automatically do this for you programmatically. So in this video I will show you a module here which is built in inside Python which lets you do this. So the name of the module is Subprocess. So first of all you just need to import this module here like this Subprocess. So it's a built-in module, you did not have to install it. So you simply import this module like this, and after that you simply just call a simple function which is present inside this module here, which is call. So you simply call this function like this, and here you specify which command you want to execute. So inside double quotes you simply write here Python and then put a comma and then dash dash version. So we are executing the same command here, you will see, using programmatically using a Python script using this module, and then to print out the result here we can simply print out the result. So that's all that we need to do right here. And if I just execute this python app.py, so you will actually see it will print out and execute this command and print out the result which comes. So you will see Python 3.10.5. So it is printing out the exact result that if I try to print this command directly. So this is a really useful and a powerful module as well, because many a times you need to execute the shell commands or terminal commands inside your Python script. So if you're making some kind of a terminal application, then this module is very much helpful. Subprocess. So let's suppose you also need to print out which version is ffmpg installed. So you can just write ffmpg dash version. So it will now also print out which version of ffmpg installed. So in this way you can execute multiple commands. So if I just execute the Python script here, you will see that first it will print out the Python version and then it will go to the next command and then it will print out the ffmpg version. So any command line utility kind of application you can build using this module. And there is also a new way which you can do the same process. The second way is to import the operating system module and simply calling the system method, and here you specify the same command here, python dash dash version, and again. So this method is little bit easier because the syntax is little bit easier. You will see how easy it is to remember this. So I personally like this method more as compared to the previous one. So you will see both the results, both the methods will return the same result to you. So you just need to decide which one to. So if I just execute this now, you will see it will also return the same result. You will see that. So these are the two ways by which you can execute terminal and terminal commands inside your Python application programmatically. So first through subprocess module and secondly through operating system module. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.